Motivation is the driving force that impels people to act and reflects the reason or reasons one has for acting or behaving in a particular way. So let's look at the dynamics of motivation when it comes to consumer behavior. The foundation of marketing is identifying and satisfying needs. Marketers, they do not create needs, although in many instances they make consumers more keenly aware of unfelt or dormant needs, but they do not create needs. Therefore, marketers must focus on the needs their products satisfy. So rather than putting too much attention on the products that they sell, they should focus on the needs that they satisfy. So, but consumers' needs they do not change a lot over time. Although the manner of how they satisfy needs, including the products they buy, that might change over time, and sometimes it may change frequently as new and better products can satisfy the needs better. So let's look at P&G. P&G is a global brand and it sells various products. It has a huge product portfolio. But what it really does is it sells consumers an experience. It sells emotions. It sells more than just a product. So rather than focusing on a product, what they do focus on is the need that that is being satisfied from the product. So they don't sell detergents, shampoos, soaps, but they sell an experience, an emotional connection that solves a problem for the consumers, that satisfies a customer need. Similarly, if you look at Ritz-Carlton Hotel, it's not just selling a hotel, a room. In fact, what it really does, it sells ambience, it sells a unique experience, luxury. So while marketers they need to focus on the functional elements of the product, but they also need to understand that uh, they must focus on solving the consumer problem or satisfying the customer need. That is actually the foundation of marketing.